she's so hungry.
She's under the dinner.
Did she eat it all? Are you going to burp her now?
That's dinner for the cake.
Did she
Does
eat,
she like French fries?
did she eat all her bottle?
No.
No? You going to finish feeding it to her?
Mom, the cake.
It's hard because you're stuck here now, aren't you? Can you burp her?
Tell me what you need.
I want the cake.
The cake? Is this the cake? Where's the cake?
And that.
Where?
And that.
In here? Is there a cake in here? Good choice.
It looks like a cake to me. Can you burp your baby now that she ate her bottle?
It's a cake.
Where does this go to?
Oh, the trains, actually. I don't know why. Mason, show me how you burp her.
Burp her real nice. Oh, step on Chopper. Do you want to get down? You can feed her down here on the ground, too, you know. You can lay your boppy down here and lay her right here.
Uh-oh.